There are some principles that we need to follow in order to achieve a success in creating a value to the business. So when we work on a requirement, when we work on a deliverable, we need to focus on value. How this deliverable be saving time, effort, cost for the organization. We need to start where we are. We need to start with what in our hands. For example, we are going to automate the creation of the purchase order through an uploader. So the value is that we are going to save the creation time. At the same time, we start with what we have. We have, for example, a standard baby or a standard function module that we're going to use in SAP or reuse in our program. Or we have an existing program or existing recording or existing XYZ that we're going to reuse and build upon or build upon it a solution. So we start always with what we have on hand. Then we progress iteratively with the feedback. Always we involve the stakeholders as early as possible and as much as possible. We show them what we have, what we are going to do. We receive feedbacks, and according to these feedbacks, we modify our moves, our paces towards what is required. So this is how we progress iteratively. So we need to be open for changes. We don't need to stick to what we think the way to finish early. We need to create a value. So we need to progress iteratively with feedback. Collaboration and promotion of visibility. So we need to involve as many stakeholders as much as possible. Collaborate with all of them. Having what we are working on as visible as possible for the stakeholders. Then thinking and working holistically. Definitely we need to think in the existing solution, the current processes, what is the impact of what we are developing comprehensively on the current situation. What is the impact? That's why we perform or we do an impact analysis. Then we keep things simple and practical. There are two dimensions, the development and the usage. In the development, we need to be sure that our development, the code is simple, reusable, and practical. That's why we're using object-oriented programming. Make things easy, don't overcomplicate things. Solve things with the easiest way, not the most complicated way. So that's why we think always in writing less code to solve issues, and writing a code which is reusable. So we keep it simple. At the same time, the usage of our program shouldn't be complicated. We should create a program that will need the least number of clicks and pages. Simplify and make it practical. Optimize and automate. Always think about automation. Optimization, how to optimize the process, how to optimize the creation of the purchase order, the creation of the sales order, how to automate them, make them simple, make them faster. So if we follow these 7 guiding principles, we can achieve a success. We can achieve successfully the goal of building and creating a value to the organization.